Thanks for considering I'm making another YTP video, Ben.
Well, for some reason, my viewers liked your recent YTP video, Max, so you know what? I'm gonna do my own version, thank you very much. So, let us begin. Okay, let's just add a few more clips and...
I thought I told you to never make you do me. Realize what you have done? Beata Maria, you know I am a
Stupid.
man. Of my virtue I am justly Beata Maria, you know I'm so much purer than the common, vulgar, weak, licentious crowd. Higher! Higher! This fire in my fireplace.
Silly customer! You cannot hurt a Twinkie!
Get out, you idiot! Hellfire! Dark fire! Now... The world is cruel. The world is only friend. Stop! How can I protect you, boy, unless you always... You are
Stupid.
I am
Stupid.
These are crimes for which the world shows little pity. As I say, obey and stay in here, 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 Choose me or your
Stupid.
be mine or you will burn, burn, burn. But she will be mine or she will. Disgusting.